Woody Ryan.
And I'm Brendan McLaughlin. Attorneys in the murder trial of Julie Schenecker just wrapped up day one of jury selection. They need to pick 12 impartial people for this high-profile case. Now at 6, our Carson Chambers is live outside the courthouse with why this jury is so critically important to Schenecker's insanity defense. Carson?
They are, all 12 of them, and the judge just dismissed that potential jury pool and told them to go home and not talk about the case. 53-year-old Julie Schenecker looks like a completely different woman than she did 3 years ago at the time of her arrest, and experts say that her insanity defense is a long shot. The cuffs came off and the blazer went on as Julie Schenecker prepared for jury selection.
And you understand if convicted is charged, that carries a mandatory sentence of life imprisonment. You shall not be eligible for parole. Do you understand that?
I do, Your Honor. Attorneys say they'll go for an insanity defense. The new Tampa mom is charged with slaying her own flesh and blood. Police discovered her 16-year-old daughter, Calix, under her bed sheets. Her son, 13-year-old Bo, still seatbelted into the family van.
Investigators found Julie Schenecker alive on the pool lanai. The bodies of the Schenecker children who had suffered fatal gunshot wounds were found inside the residence.
Prosecutors say Schenecker bought the gun just days before her husband, an Army colonel, left for Qatar. Some jurors referenced the curious video of Schenecker's arrest, the shaking, wide eyes, and facial contortions. Reported side effects from prescription medication for bipolar disorder and severe depression.
From what I've read, she's been on a large amount of and large doses of medication for a long time. She's also an alcoholic, according to some of the emails, and she's checked herself into rehab. When you put all of that together, it may not be enough to meet what we call the legal standard for insanity.
The state says it won't go for the death penalty if Schenecker's convicted. But whether jurors will buy an insanity defense is still to be seen.
There's no doubt in my mind that she shot her children. And she's guilty of that crime. It may not be first-degree murder.
And jury selection starts again tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. sharp. It could take 2 more days to get this jury, and it will take as long as 3 weeks for this trial to play out. Live in Tampa, I'm Carson Chambers, ABC Action News.